Hello, my Blizz. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you'll be coming back here every weekend. Today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of Pyaz Makha, a simple, basic, and tasty side dish or a salad, which makes even a simple Dal Chawal interesting. Before that, let's take a moment to appreciate my mom and sister for this beautiful kitchen garden. The latter one was the coriander and this is the green chili plant. And isn't it amazing? Like it's set up in our kitchen balcony. And this one is a spinach. Look how beautiful it's looking. It makes me so happy. So now let's take a look on the ingredients of Pyaz Makha. So here comes the ingredients as onions and 1 tomato, then a fresh coriander leaves, then couple of as per you need green chilies, then there are lemon, and then for a masala we can it's black salt, and then it's sugar, and then it's rock salt with black pepper. And the most important ingredient here, which I would suggest you not to skip, is not other than, let me make a suspense, but let it be, I'll tell you, it's mustard oil. So I would really suggest you do not skip this. In fact, include this in your Pyaz Makha. It will really give you a nice taste. So as you can see here, let me come back and chop this all the ingredients. I've already chopped the onion, the fresh coriander leaves, then tomato and green chili. Here you can adjust this ingredients based on your serving number of serving and as your taste. So now let's start with mixing. Let's take couple of pinch of sugar. This will balance the salad. I'm just adding couple of pinches of sugar, you can see, and then I'll be adding black salt as per your taste. I'm just sprinkling black salt, and then I'll be adding my magical and most important ingredient, that is mustard oil. So you can just drizzle the oil over your salad as per you feel it is sufficient. So if I measure here, it will be around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Give it a good stir, mix it really well. It's always better to mix it with your hands, but since in this video I have to be presentable. And then finally you can squeeze half a lemon or 1 lemon. Again, it depends upon your taste. If you like too much tangy, then use a full lemon, because already you have a what we say tomato, so you have to just adjust according to it. And then finally I'm sprinkling pink salt with black pepper. Again, this depends on your taste. And tada, we are done. I hope you will try this recipe at home, and do let me know how you felt it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks much, my loves. We'll meet again in next video. Till then, take care and have fun.